What if your perfect vacation could offer snow-capped adventures in the morning and a sunny lakeside escape by afternoon? That's exactly what South Lake Tahoe delivers, a rare gem nestled in the Sierra Nevadas where winter sports and summer vibes exist side by side, often on the very same day. Arriving in South Lake Tahoe feels like stepping into a postcard. In winter, the slopes of Heavenly Mountain Resort are coated in powdery perfection, attracting skiers and snowboarders from all over the world. The lifts are just minutes from town, and the mountain views are enough to steal your breath, even before you carve your first turn. But Tahoe isn't just a winter destination. As the snow begins to melt, South Lake Tahoe transforms into a sun-drenched playground. Emerald Bay beckons with crystal-clear water and panoramic hiking trails. Paddleboarders glide across the calm surface, while cyclists explore forested paths under the shade of towering pines. And when golden hour hits, there's no better place to be than a lakeside deck with a chilled drink and live music echoing in the background. Beyond the outdoors, the town pulses with character. Boutique shops, cozy cafes, and lakeside restaurants offer charm without pretense. And yes, the casinos on the Nevada side add a touch of excitement when the sun dips behind the mountains. Whether you're a thrill seeker, nature lover, or just someone craving a change of pace, South Lake Tahoe offers a dynamic mix of serenity and adventure. No matter the season. If you could only pack for one kind of trip, skis or swimsuits, which would you choose for South Lake Tahoe?